Okay, now we are discussion about the topic of the subtraction of the two matrices. Okay, first of all, one thing which is very important for the subtraction of the matrices is that their order should be the same. Order means if the matrix A and B, these have the both same number of the rows and same number of columns. For example, it has 1, 2, and 3. 3 rows. Here it has also 3 rows, and there is the 2 columns, and in a matrix B there is also the 2 columns. So its order is, we can write here 3 by 2. 3 multiplied by 2. So both have the same order, order of the matrix A and matrix B. The first and important thing for the subtraction of the matrices is that both matrices have the same order. This is called the order. Number of rows multiplied by number of columns. Okay, for example, if we have these two matrices and we have to subtract them, A is equal to 0, 1, 4, 5, 3, 7, and B is equal to 2, minus 6, 8, 4, and 5, minus 2. So if we subtract them, then we will write the A minus B. Okay, A minus B. And I also scroll down. Okay, A minus B. This means also A plus into minus B. Basically, you will write the sign of minus between them, but we can also write it A plus into minus B. So matrix A is there plus, and the minus B matrix means that all entries are multiplied by minus. Since there was the minus 6, so it is positive 6. Okay, and there is minus 2, and it is the positive 2. And so now I will add them 0 plus minus is minus 0 minus 2. First entry is add and subtract with first entry. Second entry 1 plus 6. 4 plus third entry minus 8. Plus minus is minus 8. 5 plus minus is minus 4. And now 3 plus minus 5. And 7 plus 2. So here are the minus 2, 7, minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4, and 1, and minus 2, and 9. Okay, Ji, that is the subtraction. That is very easy. Subtraction is basically, subtraction of the matrices is basically the subtraction of the elements of the matrices corresponding, mean one by one. Okay, or now we notice there subtraction of the two matrices. Subtraction of the two matrices is here A minus B. That is the matrix A minus that is the matrix B. So you subtract them corresponding. 0 minus 2. That is equal to 0 minus 2. 1 minus into minus 6. Minus into minus is positive. So positive 7. Okay, that would be, so 4 minus 8 here. 5 minus 4 here. 3 minus 5 here. And 7 minus into minus 2. So its result is minus 2, 7, minus 4, 1, minus 2, and 9. Okay, you will also not write here the positive sign. You can sign here the A minus B. Okay. Now, for example, these matrices are called because the size of the both matrices is the 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. Here it has also the 2 rows and 2 columns. So number of rows multiplied by number of columns is the size order of the matrix. So order of the matrix of both matrices is 2 by 2. And also the one very important thing is that if the number of rows and number of columns of a matrix are equal, that is called the square matrix. Okay, now A minus B. Now here I also the A minus B subtracting the matrices and the corresponding subtraction of the elements here. 15 minus 8, 6 minus 6, 1, that is the A, minus, and this value is the B, 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So 15 minus 1, minus 8 minus 4, 16 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 1 minus into minus 1 minus 3. Fourth element is subtract to the fourth element. So 15 minus of 14, and this is the minus 12, and this is 7, and this is minus 2. Okay, that is the subtraction. Subtraction is very easy. If we subtract two matrices, then again I tell you that its order will be the same. Both matrices have the number of rows and number of columns would be the same. Okay. Now, if m is equal to 2, 5 minus 1, 3, and b is equal to 1, 1, 4 minus 2, then find m minus b. M minus n. There is the, by mistake, it is right here, the b. Basically, it is the n. Okay, so m matrix minus, this is the n matrix, m minus n according to the statement. Okay. So 2, and also he can, there are the two possibilities. So you can direct minus, right, and also you can write it plus, and this minus will be the multiply all entries with the matrix. Second matrix minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus into minus positive 2, and there is the sign of plus. So 2 plus minus is minus, 2 minus 1, 5 plus minus minus, 5 minus 1, 2, and minus 1 plus minus minus, so minus 1 minus 4, and fourth element is 3 plus 2, that is. So its result is 1, 4 minus 5, 5. This is the, and also he right here, then we can also solve from these values direct, not use the plus sign. This is also the possibility. So he used m minus n like this way. He not write here the plus sign. He just 2 minus 1, 5 minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, and 3 minus 4, minus into minus 2. So its result is 1, 4, and minus 5. Okay, that is the subtraction here. Now you can see here that if x and z, find x minus z. So first of all, similarly, you will write here the x minus, and this is the z. So corresponding, and I prefer to this that there should be the direct minus sign. Okay, no anywhere. That is the, I prefer that there is only minus 16 minus into minus 13. That is 16 plus 3. I mean that I skip this step. It's minus 5 minus 4. 4 minus into 1 minus 0. So its result is 16 plus 13 is 29. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 1 minus 0 is the 1. So x minus z has the value. And also one thing which is very important to share with you, that the matrix, the order of the matrix X is 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, and matrix of the Z is 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. And similarly, the answer, the after addition or subtraction, which will be get, its order will be the equal with the matrices. Means it has also the 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. In all questions, you will notice that the resultant matrix is also with the same order like the other. For example, if we have the different, yes, this is okay. These are the two matrices. It has the 3 rows and 2 columns. It has the 3 rows and 2 columns, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. And that is its resultant matrix. And also you notice that its order is the same, 3 rows and 2 columns. So that is the beauty of the addition and subtraction of the matrices, that their resultant matrices also with the same order of the like the questions matrices. Okay. If you feel any problem and want to understanding any other type of questions, then comment on my channel, on my video, and also subscribe and like and share with other mathematics peoples. And thank you so much.